Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to link INTUIT card Karma to Coinbase in 2025. So first of all, you'll have to log in to your Credit Karma account using the app or website. Then ensure your email and password are correct and ensure that your Credit Karma account is fully set up with current financial details like linked bank accounts. Now go to Settings gear icon in the top right. Then scroll to Linked Accounts and click on Add Account button and search for Coinbase in this list. Now, after selecting Coinbase, you'll be redirected to Coinbase login page where you'll have to enter the email address linked to Coinbase, your password, and ensure that 2FA is enabled for extra security. Now, once logged in, you will see permissions screen. Click Authorize to grant Credit Karma access to your Coinbase account financial data. This allows Credit Karma to track your crypto holdings and reflect them in your financial overview. After authorization, you will return to Credit Karma, where you will see Coinbase successfully linked under linked accounts. If the connection fails, double check your Coinbase credentials or ensure that your Credit Karma app is updated. And that's it. You're now linked your Credit Karma to Coinbase, giving you a better overview of your financial health. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.